Hi. Just gonna record for a little bit before we get going. Check my. See how crazy that. I'm using Final Cut to film this. I've never used Final Cut on my phone. I'm just gonna pick some records here to kind of. A record, pardon me. I actually don't know what I want. Something's telling me Doom, but then also something's telling me Dilla of some sort. Very colorful pull too. It's just, this is blue. Let this run. Get my exact.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Ew, you can see the light. Whatever.
Yes, sir.
It's actually a pretty dope vinyl release.
Yeah. On and my nuts I'm palming. Take 2 of these and come like shaking, oiling, lacing, baking, shaping, shaving. Gotta get this cake right as I serve it. You just burn it.
Okay, I want a pair of shoes on Instagram. Shout outs to Adam. He got an extra pair through his, I'm assuming, purchase at. I didn't say the name. They sent him an extra pair. Sometimes this happens. Sometimes you get 2 pairs. Sometimes 2 orders go through. I've seen a order go through. Oh, I just said the name of the program. Sorry. Go through twice for the same person in the same order and the same thing with the same order. I've seen it happen. So Adam, out of the goodness of his heart, was like, "Yo, tell me a joke on Instagram. I'll put your name into a raffle, and I'll choose it later on that evening." So I told a really bad dad joke. That'll be in the description below. Comment if you heard it. It's the one I tell all the time. I've been telling it for over a decade. It's so stupid. He laughed and was like, "All right, I'll put your name in." A couple hours later, an Instagram tag on a story, and I was like, "What the hell? What the helly?" And I won. And I haven't filmed anything like this in a while. I'm gonna chop this up because I know I'm just yapping at this point. But I wanted to do a live unboxing, first reaction. 2 reasons. The last time I owned this pair was 2012, the 2012 release. First retro was in 99. Well, the first shoe, the first version of it was in 89. You guys are gonna get this real quickly. First version was 89. First retro, which I believe was part of I don't know if it was a lifestyle series. I don't think so. I think it was just a Jordan 4 retro. Was in 99, 13 years later in 2012, 4 years later, 2016. So 3 retros, and this is the 4th. Now 9 years later in 2025. One of the most iconic Jordan silhouettes, but also colorways. And then, Spike Lee, part of, as everybody knows, Spike Lee directed and produced and starred in a number of Jordan ads in the late 80s for the Jordan 3, Jordan 4. He put them in his movie, which is actually one of my favorite movies. There's a lot of full circle moments here. It's one of my favorite shoes, one of my favorite colorways because it's on the 3. Spike Lee's one of my favorite directors. And the movie Do the Right Thing, one of my favorite movies of all time. An iconic scene where this shoe is in that movie. There's a whole scene around specifically that shoe. It was early age product placement. Obviously there's a lot of product placement in a lot of 80s, late 80s, early 90s movies. A lot of just Budweiser or Miller, just shit like that. But there hadn't been anything for I guess sneakers to that extent. Outside of Back to the Future. There had been certain pieces here and there, but nothing around a specific entire scene. That was pivotal in that moment. And bugging out, he's on the street, homie walks by with his bike. I don't know why. I'll just play it.
Yo! Not only did you knock me down, you stepped on my brand new white Air Jordans that I just bought. And that's all you can say is, excuse me.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. I'll fuck you up quick 2 times. 2 times. Who told you to step on my sneakers? Who told you to walk on my side of the block? Who told you to be in my neighborhood?
I'm probably not gonna play it, but anyways, white cement Air Jordan 4. I got a pair for free, and I want to do an unboxing and a live reaction because first reaction, live reaction, whatever you want to call it, because I haven't had a pair in 13 years. Again, big shouts to Adam. My luck. I've never really won a whole lot on Instagram. I won tickets to a show once. Back when I was at Jordan store, someone was doing a raffle for the Travis Scott Reese's. So I have those on display somewhere. Regular ass Jordan box. Jordan 4 box. White cement. Nike Air on the side. My size. Summit white. Fire red. Not a word. I love what Nike. Nike and Jordan. Never putting all of the colorways on. Oh, look at that. There's a note. There's a note. Shout out to Adam. Shout out to the Manitoba Connect. Congratulations, JR. Be sure to put a ton of miles on them. I want to encourage you to keep pursuing what makes you happy. You are destined for greatness, accept nothing less. Keep going. Adam Newstater. I think I get that last name right. Please correct me again, Adam. Again, thank you. That's a very nice note, dude. I really appreciate that. Let me move back. Hold on. Hold up. Let me flip. Oh, I hit it. 2. Let's go. Yo, you love when you hit that groove in between tracks? Come on now. Okay, here we go. Oh man. They got the shape right. They really did get the shape right. These look good. They really do. Oh, interesting. The speckle on the back of the toe, or the heel here. I don't know if I can get it in the light. I might have to do like a really good close up with better lighting. But this, like the speckle print goes over top of the Nike Air piece. That's crazy. Yeah, 2025 Air Jordan 4. They got this shape like really well. I'm gonna just put this here. I'm gonna get a picture of the 89 and I'm gonna put it right here. Not bad at all. I saw some people on the internet's Twitter talking about how like this came like creased or whatever. Can we not? Please? You're gonna wear them. You're gonna wear them. Left shoe, classic Nike Air tag. I'm original foes. Shout out to the Currency fans. I just shot him last month actually. That was pretty cool. That album actually, Covert Coup, one of the best Currency projects. Him and Alchemist. Come on now. Black insole, red Nike Air. Outsole. Oh yeah, these smell like the highest grade glue you've ever smelled in your life. But it smells real good. Again, Adam, thank you. Really appreciate it, dude. Like I said, my first pair in over 15 years. Like that's a long. Sorry, pardon me. I'll see if I can pull up the. I have a picture from. I have a picture from back when Jordan Brand used to release matching tees for every single retro. And then like it had like cement blocks as the letters, like broken. It was pretty sweet actually. I'm not gonna lie. Bring back Jordan Brand. Bring back matching tees or matching socks, please. That was the illest shit ever. Bring back matching tees or socks for the shoes. That was the illest shit. We need that. We need that again. We need to instill the feeling of posting your grape fives beside the grapes in the grape section at the grocery store. We have to. Let's do it. Thank you for watching this me yap about my free pair of shoes that I got. First free pair that I've gotten since the eBay days. But yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by.